to ensure measurements are consistent and comparable across different people and places. Scientists adopted standard units so everyone measures the same thing in the same way, no matter where they are. Think of it like using the same ruler or clock. If your friend in another country measures a table with the same ruler you use, you both get the same number and can trust each other's work. Standard units are agreed rules for measuring length, mass, time, and more, and they replace old local units that could be very different. That agreement makes experiments repeatable, data from different teams understandable, and technology that works together across the world. A common mistake is thinking units are optional. So someone might compare numbers without checking the units. Always check and convert units before comparing. Another mistake is assuming similar units are the same, like confusing grams with kilograms, so remember to note the size difference and convert if needed. Some students forget that instruments need calibration, so a tip is to make sure measuring tools are zeroed and checked against a known standard before trusting the results. Visit www.gumbledegree.com to find more videos and resources that explain standard units and how to use them correctly.